Hello everyone, let's create corn dough design. So we're going to use yellow color of dough. Press it using knife and make the seeds and cut it into two parts. Make the husk and look, it is ready. We're also going to make the handle and it's done. Here we are going to roll this white color of dough and make the surface flat. We are making beautiful bird dough art. So we are going to put the eyes, make multiple cut from the side and roll it like we're doing here in this video. You can use this red color of dough and make these beautiful designs. Put it on the top and it is done. Let's make this bunny dough design. So roll the dough and fold it like this. Use fork and press it like this. Use chopsticks and make the ears and put the eyes like we're doing here. And look, your bunny is ready. As you can see, we're going to roll the dough and make 7 such pieces. Now take 2 chopsticks and press it like we're doing here. Use fork. We're going to make green warm dough art and put the eyes as well. Use chopsticks to make the holes and it is ready. Let's make butterfly dough art. So roll the dough, make a circle and cut it from the top. Using 2 chopsticks, we're going to fold it at the center. Make the wings. Look, it is ready. Use spoon as well and make more designs. Use chopsticks and make holes and it is done. Let's make this beautiful design. So you can also create dumplings using this. As you can see, we're going to make 2 circular dough. You can put these flowers on the top and then we're going to stuff it. Close it from the side and it is done. Let's create this dough art. So we're going to cut 2 circles using dough of different size. Now you can use dates and make these flowers, put 3 together and then we're going to put it on the center. Now we're going to make this flower shape. Simply cut it from the corners and look, your dough art is ready. Let's make this beautiful leaf dough art. So we're going to cut the circle into 4 parts and make these triangular shapes. Put all of them together using chopstick. We're going to press it at the center, pull it up and look, your leaf dough art is ready. Let's make an easy dough art. So we're going to use 9 dates and put it like this, wrap it around using dough, make a circle. Now we're going to cut 3 circles and make a design like this. Make a flower, put it on the top, make another flower and look, it is ready. Let's make this Chinese dragon dough art. So roll the dough and then we're going to press it from the top. We're making the head first. You can use date and put it inside. Now make the eyes by pressing it using fingers. Make multiple cut. We are going to use chopsticks and make 2 holes like this. Now use scissors and further cut it like we're doing here. You can make these designs using dough and put it on the top of it. Let's make the tail. Make multiple cut on the top. Press it using fingers. Let's make the legs and look, it is ready. Put black eyes as well. Let's make this 2 bird dough art design. So roll the dough and press it using chopsticks. Now we're going to multiple cut, make the feather and we're going to make the eyes, put these black dots. Now we're going to make the flower design. Take another dough and make the flower, put it at the center and it is ready. Let's make the duck dough art. So we're going to use different color for the beak. Take another dough and cut the feathers like we are doing here using scissors. Put all of them together. We are using orange dough for the feet as well and it is ready.